Observe sir here. Observe here now. Not light? No. Yes, no. Yes. Yes, sir. Everyone sleeping. Close the door. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Everyone created the file, sir? Thank you. Today we are going to discuss about how to edit a file. Till now we created a file, added content to file, added a command output to a file, how to delete a file, how to copy a file, discuss it. Today how to modify the content inside the file. That will discuss. For that we are going to use the Vim, VI and Vim command, the two commands are there. Any of one command. Both have the same function only. VI is the load version, Vim is the advanced version. We are going to directly use the Vim only. We are going to type it. Vim space file name. Here I am file name. What the file you created? Yes, sir. Everyone can do with me only. Everyone can do with me only. Vim space file name. You can create file anywhere. No issue. Done, sir. Vim space file name. What the file you created, right? File you created, right? With the content, that file name. Ready? Okay. Ready? Ready? Okay. Okay. You'll be getting content, sir, now? Yes or no? No. I want to jump to right now. You can see here. Please observe. Don't leave gap here, right? Madam. No, not now. Tomorrow, not. If gap is there, you also feel difficult to see. How we observe? You're able to see. No. Don't leave gap. Observe now here. There also who is coming there? No, okay. You fixed your benches. Okay. Come on. Vim says file name. Now you can see a scroll, sir. One line to yes, sir. If I use the down arrow mark, it's going to second line, third line. Arrow mark, down arrow mark is going to down line by line. Yes, sir. Now I want to jump to the 15th line. We can do arrow mark like this, but directly I want to jump to the 15th line. How to jump to the particular line number? How to jump to the particular line number, that I'm going to tell you. Getting my point, right? Escape, press escape and leave it. Shift and colon. You'll be getting like this. Escape, leave it. Shift and colon. You'll be getting like this. Barta idea? Yes or no? Escape, leave it. Shift colon. You're getting? Type the line number, which line you want to jump. 15th line I want to jump. Type 15 and give enter. Type 15 and give enter. You jump to the 15th line. Yes or no? Yes sir? No. I want to jump to the first line. How I can jump? Escape, shift colon 1. If you want to jump to the particular line number, escape press ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು sir. Then shift and colon. Then line number which you want to jump. Yes, no. Everyone done, sir? No. What happened? Escape ಮಾಡಿ. Everyone should do, sir. What done? Help her, madam. Got it? Done? Done, madam? Take the line number 10. 10 to 10. Escape, shift to colon, line number, jump to the particular line number. Done, sir? Now, how to jump to the, I don't know how many lines are there. Aita, sir, Vijay. Done? Now, I don't know how many lines are there. I want to jump to the last line. Particular line jump mada gottaite escape shift to line number. First line avaglu one first line irutte. I want to jump to the last line, but I don't know how many lines are there. In Linux, last is nothing but dollar. In Linux, last is nothing but dollar. Escape shift to colon dollar. Escape shift to colon dollar kotti enter coding. It jump to the last line. Escape shift to colon dollar and enter. It jump to the last line. Yes, no. Got it, sir? No. What is the command? Everyone done? No. What is the command used to display file content with its line number? Cat hyphen and file name. Correct? ಅದೇ ತರ vim ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ. I want to display the line number with the content. Escape colon sc space nu. Sc space nu ಅಂದ್ರೆ set number. Short description. Sc for set, nu for number. ನೋಡಿ escape shift colon sc space nu. It's going to set the line number. Yes, no. Now you are in the editor section of the file, sir. ಇವಾಗ cat command open ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇರೋದು vim command ಬಂದು editor. Correct? I need to come out of this section now. I want to go back to the normal command, normal section now. How to come out of the file from vim? Everyone done right? Escape shift colon q not. Q for quit, not for forcibly. Quit without saving. Escape shift colon q not. To come out of the file. ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ವಿಮ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿಮ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಈ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೈಲ್. ಎವರಿನ್ ಡನ್? ಕೇಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೈಲ್, ಸರ್? ಎಸ್ ಸರ್? ನೋ. No. Again, I want to now delete the line inside the file now. Whenever you want to modify anything inside the file, you need to go to the vim command only. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿ, ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿ, ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿ, ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿ, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿ, ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದ ವಿಮ್ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? ಎಸ್? ನೋ? ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್, ಸರ್? Now I am going to open the vim command. Again open the vim command, sir. Now we discussed about how to jump to the particular line number, how to jump to the last line, how to come out of the file without saving. This and all we discussed it. Yes or no? Now we discuss about how to delete the line. How to delete the particular line. Now I am in 33rd line. Let's go to the 5th line. SK. Ready, sir? Any doubts, sir? Manjunath? No. Okay. You, sir? No. Okay. I want to delete the 5th line. For ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನ 5th ಇವಾಗ 33ನೇ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ ನಾನು. 33rd line. I want to jump to the 5th line. What I need to do? Escape shift colon 5. 5th line jump. Now delete that line. How to delete a line? How to delete the current line? Please understand. Please. How to delete the current line? Escape dd. D button escape press ಮಾಡಿ D button 2 times press ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Escape dd. Everyone done? Deleted? No. Ready? Anyone? Done? No. From current line, I want to delete the next 5 line. Current line delete ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ escape dd. Current line ಇಂದ next 5 line I want to delete. Correct, sir? At that time, count of line how much? 5. 5 dd. Count of line 5 dd. 5 dd ಮಾಡಿ 5 or 10 dd, what are the things you want to do? 5 dd. 5 press ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ನನಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Press 5 and 10 dd. Done, sir? Delete that? No. Everyone done? Last bench. Aman not came today? Okay. Clear? Done, sir? 5 DD. Press 5 and leave 5 DD. Then press escape. Now you do 5 DD. No. Think like, don't save it, don't save it. One second, one second. Think like you have mistaken and deleted it. Think like you have mistaken and deleted, but you don't want to save it. Correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ escape shift column Q not ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲ, that is for quitting the file without saving. Escape shift column Q not, that is for quitting the file without saving. ನಾವು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. I don't want to say escape shift colon Q not, quit the file without saving. Only Q is the option actually, not is for forcible. ಮಾಡಿ escape shift colon Q not ಮಾಡಿ. Escape shift colon Q not and enter. Done, sir? Wherein came out of file? Super. Again open the file. ಮುಂಚೆ escape shift colon Q not madam. Escape ಕೊಟ್ಟು shift colon ಮಾಡಿ. Shift and colon together. Worked? Wherein done? Again open the file. Last time you deleted the file content, right? That content won't be deleted. Again you can check it that all the content will be there. ತಿರ್ಗಾ ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. escape shift colon Q not for quit the file without saving. Understanding my point? Yes? No? Okay. Now how to edit, how to insert a content will see. Any confusion, madam? Done or no? Helper no, madam? Done? Done? Come back. Abdul sir, please. Now I want to insert a content. I want to add a new things. I want to insert a content in the, I'm already in any line you can take. I'm already in the 5th line, sir. Here Bhargav is there, right? Next to Neeraj, I want to add a Chandan. Next to Neeraj, I want to add a Chandan. How to insert a content, how to modify the content. 5th line is in 5th line I want to do. For that, whenever you want to add a content, you want to edit a content, you want to replace it, you want to edit a content, you want to change anything in the content, you need to go to the insert mode option. For that, vim command ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ first whenever you want to add anything, you need to press I. When you press I, it enables the insert mode. Correct? Delete ಮಾಡಕಲ್ಲ insert mode ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Whenever you want to add anything, you want to modify anything, you want to delete a word, character, that on we need to go to insert mode. For that, you need to press I. When you press I, you go to the insert mode. 5th and Neeraj already. Next, I'm going to add Chandan. Do it. Press I, any line is okay. What are the things you want to add it? Add it. Any line is okay. Press I. Whenever you want to modify content, sir. Modify, add, delete a word, delete a character, delete the word, anything, you need to press I. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಸೇವ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. Now we are going to save. Getting my point, last man guys. Vishak or Vivek? Vivek, okay. Clear, sir? I want to save the file now. How to quit the file without saving we know. Escape shift colon Q not. ಅದು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Escape shift colon WQ not. WQ for saving, not for forcible. Correct? WQ not. Escape shift colon WQ not. Save and quit the file. Save and quit the file. Ready? All done? Done, sir? Do once again. Escape. Press escape. Leave it. Shift to colon. WQ not. Enter. Okay. How it worked now? That's it. Correct. Done, sir. Anything is not working, press escape. It will go to normal mode. Done, sir. Come back. Now again open Vim command. Now we run the insert. Okay. Now I would like to insert in the insert we done. Okay. How to delete a I want to show the undo also. How to insert also. Insert will discuss. How to delete a line we came to know. How to delete a particular word character I want to see. Correct, sir? If you want to delete a V, sir, here. Bhargav is there right here. I want to delete a V. Go here. Just use the backspace. Insert go back. Any modify you should be in the insert mode. For insert, you need to press I. Only if you press I, only it will go to insert mode. Getting my point, sir? If you want to delete a word, backspace only. Later also backspace. Modify the content also we came to. Getting my point, sir? Clear? You want to insert, you want to create a new line. After 10th line, I want to create a new line with Praveen. After 10th line. Okay, first I'll go to 10th line. Escape, shift to colon, 10 go first. 10th line ಹೋದ 10 line ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೊಸ ಲೈನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. Getting my point, sir? Then I press I, sir. I'll come to the end of the 10th line. I press on enter. It create a blank line. Then I'll add some content, what I want. You want to create a new line? Go to the 10th line. Go to 10th line, whichever line. Go to the press I. Go to the end of the line. Press enter. It will create a blank line. Then you can add content. Ready? You should do, sir. Done, sir. Ready? Now I want to save it. Escape shift to colon WQ. Escape shift to colon WQ not. For save and quit the file forcibly. Ready, sir? Now again open the file. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ now let me delete this line. Okay, let me delete this line now. I'll do it, please understand, please keep your mind here. I'm going to delete it, sir. Now whenever done, sir, what happened? Now observe here now. Now I'm deleting this line. Please, I'm doing once again. Please understand. I'm deleting this line. Escape. DD. Mistakenly I done. What we'll do to not to say escape shift colon Q not. That we already know, correct? But every time Q not, that is not the easy way to do. In Windows, you have Control Z options, sir. In Linux, how to do? Escape shift colon Q for undo. Escape shift delete line bitre bantu nodi Shekhar Rahul. Delete ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ escape shift colon U ಕೊಡಿ, it will go to undo. Parents should do escape shift colon U undo. Getting my point, sir? Ready? Done, sir? Now, please understand. Ready, sir? Last page, guys. Escape shift colon U undo. Ready? Delete a line, undo escape shift colon U. It is going to undo. Who all done? Can lift your hand, sir? Not done. Not done. Delete a line and do this. Escape DD and escape shift colon U. You people done, madam? It's your friend, madam. Full doubt. Full doubt only, always she. Your friend only, right? Huh? Any doubts, sir? None? Delete from that. SK shift colon U put. SK shift colon U. Enter. SK shift colon U. Delete ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮಾಡ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? SK BD. Okay, right? Okay. Every time SK shift colon Q not ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. When every time whenever you don't want to save it, SK shift colon Q not is not a good way. Close and open, close and open, close and open. It's like an undo option. Correct? If you want to close the file, if you don't want to save it every time SK shift colon Q not is difficult. Again, you close the file, open the file, close the file, open. Undo option. Then you revert back the previous content. Yes sir, no sir? Yes, sir. Understanding my point? Yes, no. Yes, sir. Clear sir? Now we'll discuss about how to replace the content. Windows select ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? How to replace the content in Windows? No one done? What is the option is shortcut in Windows? Control H. Control H. Control F for search. Yes sir? ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೋಡೋಣ. Linux. Okay. Wherever Praveen is existing, I want to replace with name sir Deepak, no? Your name? Suhas. Suhas, right? Wherever Praveen is existing, I want to replace with Suhas. Wherever Praveen is existing, I want to replace with the Suhas. How to do that one? That we'll see. Escape, shift colon. First I'll do it. Please understand. First I'll do it. Observe here. Percentage S for string substitution. Which content I want to replace? Praveen. / Praveen. With what content? Suhas. I want to replace everywhere, wherever Praveen is existing. G. Globally. Correct? Percentage S for string substitution. Praveen is the old content. New content is the Suhas. G for globally. G ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It replaces only the first occurrence of the Praveen in each line. G ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು everyone understand ಕನ್ನಡ? No? You madam understand? Okay. Correct? I thought it's from Chennai. Yeah. Now G is not mentioned means it replace only the first occurrence of the Praveen. It replaces only the first occurrence of the Praveen in each line. G ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. G ಕೊಟ್ರೆ how many Praveens occur in each line? It replaces all the Praveens. Getting my point? Yes? No? Correct? I'm going to do later. I'm going to do. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್? ಸುಹಾಸ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸುಹಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. 27 substitution happened in 23 lines. Correct? Now you going to try. Escape shift colon percentages Praveen / of Suhas / of G. Mary, name you want what the name you want to try? You try it. Yourish. Linux itself case sensitive. Ready, sir? Done? Now, I want to undo it back. SK shift colon U. SK shift colon U ಕೊಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಹಳೆ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ SK shift colon U ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವೆರಿ ಡನ್ SK shift colon U all done kindly lift your hands up please done okay. Now I want to replace only the first occurrence of the Praveen in each line ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ಲೈನ್ how many Praveens are there sir 1 2 3 correct I want to replace only the first occurrence of Praveen in each line ಪ್ರತಿ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ Praveen Suvas // if we give G globally wherever Praveen occur in each line replace if we didn't give G it replace only the first occurrence of the Praveen in each line ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಅಜಯ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಈ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ can you do don't give G SK shift colon percentages was what you should do sir yesterday same laptop. Really? I did same again you done? Nansa, ready? Now I want to replace Praveen which occur in the let me undo it back sir before that please. SK shift colon U because in SK shift colon U coding undo. Ready? If undo option is not there, if you want to try this type of example, every time you need to type SK shift colon Q not. No more difficult. You can only think. Clear sir? Now I want to replace the let me take what is it 13th line. Okay. I want to replace all the Praveen which occur in the only in 13th line, particular line. Windows only Control F, Control X work for all the lines. This many option won't be there. You can't display line number. You can't jump to the particular line number. That options are not there. Only Control F, Control H, Control A, and Control Z. Right now only we learned around 10 to 15 options. Correct? Now I want to replace only in 13th line. I want to replace only the Praveen which occur in 13th line. Escape 15 colon 13 yes. Percentages ಕೊಟ್ರೆ full file ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಲೈನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ನೋಡಿ how to replace in only particular line SK shift colon line number / yes Praveen Suvas / G ready? Everyone done, sir? Done? Done? Now, undo it back, sir. SK shift colon U. Undo it back. Aita? Now, I want to replace all the Praveen which occur from 5th line to 10th line. 5th to 10th line, all the lines, range. Particular line ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ ರೇಂಜ್ SK colon 5, 10s 5th ಇಂದ 10th ಲೈನ್ ತನಕ 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Praveen with Suhas ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 5, 10s range of the line ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ರೆಡಿ ನಂತರ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಸರ್ how many days you not came sir I know sir everything I register everything in my mind if I not asking doesn't mean that I don't know 1 week okay come back done sir range now we'll undo it back SK shift color U undo ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ now we start with the everyone done sir first bench then now next to Praveen there must be at least one number I want to replace only that Praveen only Praveen I don't want to replace sir next to Praveen at least there must be a one number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ correct sir this will happen next to Praveen at least one number I'm telling after that number it can be anything it cannot be anything it may not be anything correct but there must be one number this will happen this will become Suhas this is ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ Suhas 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದಾಗಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ this also not going to this will happen this will become Suhas 2, 3, 4 this won't happen because Linux is a case sensitive correct sir this also won't happen this will happen this will become Suhas A2 next to Praveen there must be at least one number I'm telling one number minimum condition is this thing only Praveen won't happen ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು escape shift colon percentages Praveen I don't know what number 0 to 9 one bracket represent one character one bracket represent one character particular number ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ 1 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸರ್ ಸುಹಾಸ್ ready Praveen didn't happen Praveen 1 2 was that Suhas 2 it become Praveen 1 ಇತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ Suhas ಆಯ್ತು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ SK column for everyone should do sir be active ready sir ready next undo it back sir SK shift colon U undo it back SK shift colon U ready now next to Praveen there must be at least two number then what it do what did it do at least two numbers 0 to 9 Praveen 2 means that is one character sir next to Praveen there must be at least one 2 0 9 again 0 9 one bracket represent one character one bracket represent one character replace it. Please understand here what the thing is going to happen. I'll tell you. Please observe here. Observe. ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ 1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ 1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ 1 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ 2 ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ವೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. Till here it becomes ಸುವಾಸ್ 3 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 1 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಆಗ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಸುವಾಸ್ ಎ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Getting my point, sir? Getting my point, sir? Praveen, what didn't happen? You can observe. Correct? Praveen 1A2 also didn't happen. Understand my point, sir? Please do it. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Done, sir? Very good. Super. Now 100 back SK shift to colon U. Done? Now, sir. Next to Praveen, there must be one number. After that, there must be one alphabet. After that, there must be one number. Correct? Will do? Ready, right? Next to Praveen, there must be one number. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್. ಅದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಸರ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋ ಸರ್? What happened, sir? Huh? RAM, sir. What's the RAM? ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್? ರೆಡಿ? Now 100 back SK shift to colon U. SK shift to colon U 100 back. Ready, sir? Next to Praveen, it can be alphabet also, it can be number also. It can be alphabet. It can, please understand, please. Next to Praveen, it can be alphabet or number. But other next Praveen ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ alphabet ಇಲ್ಲ number ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನನಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಇದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಎ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಡೂ ನೌ? ವಾಟ್ ಎನಿ ಐಡಿಯಾ? ಅಗೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. 0 to 9 ಒಂದು ರೇಂಜು, ಅದರಲ್ಲೇನೆ A to Z. One bracket represents one character. If you give A to Z separately, that becomes separate character. That we done last combination. Now we are telling prex to Praveen, it can be alphabet or number. So using this. Correct, sir? Thoughtless was. Ready? Do it, sir. Working, sir, now. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡನ್ ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 100 back SK shift to colon U. SK shift to colon U. Everyone done, sir? No. Next to Praveen, it can be any character, sir. It can be alphabet, it can be number, it can be space, it can be special symbol also. I don't know what it is. Last example is the alphabet is a number. The next to Praveen, it can be any character. It can be alphabet, it can be number, it can be space, it can be special symbol, whatever it is. Alphabet, you can write the range A to Z. Number, you can write the range 0 to 9. But special symbol STD we can't write a range. Correct, sir? It can be anything. Next to Praveen, it can be a alphabet, it can be a number, it can be space, it can be special symbol. At the time, how to do? In Linux, sir, dot is nothing but single character. Dot is nothing but the single character. Now, number and the kottidhi kavale 0 to 9 kottvi. A to Z alphabet kottvi. Number illa alphabet kodakke 0 to 9 A to Z kottvi. No, I don't know what, but it can be any character, but I don't know what it is. Correct? Underscore also I mentioned somewhere here. So to match it. Where is underscore, sir? Can you able to see? Yeah. This underscore, sir. This underscore. Getting the, this also should get replaced. SK should colon percentages Praveen dot. Dot is nothing but single character. Double dot kotre 2 character. Minimum condition next to Praveen there must be one character. It can be number, it can be alphabet, it can be space, it can be special symbol. Correct alva? No. Praveen dot was. Underscore replace. Getting my point, sir? You can try. SK shift column percentages Praveen dot / Suwas. Good, sir. Give it there. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್ ರೆಡಿ ಎಂತ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಾರಿ ಎಸ್ ಕೆ ಶುಡ್ ಕಾಲನ್ ಕ್ಯೂ not q u undo don't give q sir don't give q sir please then it will back to the all the content correct don't give q please okay undo done right now next ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ second observe ಮಾಡಿ you no need to do just I am showing you next option you going to do Praveen ಇವಾಗ 0 to 9 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 0 to 9 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ just I want to show you different so what minimum condition next to Praveen 2 digits I am telling then Praveen 1 won't get replaced ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ Praveen 1 won't get replaced correct Praveen is there Praveen 1 is also correct alva ಇಲ್ಲಿ Praveen 1 2 3 4 ಇತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ now it become Suvas 3 4 yes or no now my condition is next to Praveen 1 or more digits minimum 1 digit or more digit 10 digits also that's the thing I mentioned this all the things now. Next to Praveen 1 or more digit complete thing should be replaced with the Suvas. Got my point? Yes or no? Next to Praveen 1 or more digits Praveen 1 ಆಗಿರೋದು Praveen 1 2 ಆಗಿರೋದು Praveen 1 2 3 4 ಆಗಿರೋದು Praveen 1 1 1 1 can be 100 digits also complete thing ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇದು Praveen 0 to 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ Praveen next to 2 digits only getting replaced correct right it become Suvas 3 4 ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ then complete next to Praveen 1 to 1 or more digit complete thing need to be replaced from the how to do it we'll see column percentages Praveen 0 to 9 plus Plus is nothing but when you mention in plus, previous to plus what you mentioned, that can occur one or more times. When you mention regular expression, or BCA, BCB, B computer science, BCA, B computer science, information science. Okay. BCA? Okay. Regular expression are studied, sir? No. At least you heard the word. Regular expression you have studied. Correct? The regular expression is common for all the languages. It can be computer, it can be C language, C++, Java, Python, everyone same. Getting my point, sir? For all the things further is C only. Getting my point, sir? Plus symbol. When you mention a plus symbol, previous to plus what is there, right? That can occur one or more time. One or more time. That I'm going to do first, later I'm going to do, not now. Complete Praveen. Ido Suvas replace. Complete Suvas replace. Oh, sorry. It's regular expression, right? I'm mentioning regular expression, sir. We need to use the backward class plus. If we didn't use backward class, it'll take it as a string. Right? A plus and use a string ತರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು Linux ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಇದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅಂತ. So we need to use a backward class, that's a wild character. No, it will Suvas. No, let's say no Praveen 1111. Getting my point or not, sir? One up next to Praveen, one or more digits. It can be any number of digits. 0 to 9 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ first Praveen one replace ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Getting my point, sir? Yes or no? Understanding? Everyone? Please do it now. Shift column Praveen. Class plus Suvas. Next to Praveen, one or more digits. Plus symbol, this is going to using grep command also. Future. Use of grep command, only grep command you learned till now. We're going to discuss on 17 option in grep. That I'm going to use this. Sorry, man. You don't. Monthly one time install. That's a mistake. You have a lot of police. 4 to 5, 4 to 6 to 9 more solution. We not able to give a capacity to the new one. Depend upon laptop. So better you deleted all of it. This is the only way. Not every time it is. Today I'm more doing. Nanda, everyone done? Understood, right? Super. Now, sir. Now, each line, I want to insert your name? Manoj. In each line beginning, I want to insert Manoj. In each line beginning, I want to insert Manoj. Linux end is nothing but dollar. Okay? Beginning is nothing but upper cap. Upper cap. Upper cap symbol is the beginning. Okay? I want to insert Manoj in each line beginning. Escape to colon, percentages, upper cap, / space ಕೊಟ್ಟು Manoj and space ಅಲ್ಲಿ. It's not mandatory to use space here. My space ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. I am inserting Manoj in each line, sir, in beginning. If I didn't use space, it's not mandatory. I'm giving space because it will be separated. Space ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರೆ ಇರೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಜೊತೆನೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Understanding my point, right? I'm inserting this many options. You no chance you can find in Windows. You can't find in Windows this many options. That's the thing. You're good in command line. You're good in IT. More the command line, more powerful. Do it, sir. SK colon percentages, upper cap, no space. G is not mandatory, sir, here. Because beginning can be only one. G is not required actually. I made a habit of using G. G is not required. Beginning can be only one. Aita, ready? Now, 100 back the SK shift to colon U. Ready? I want to insert Manoj. I want to insert Manoj in end of the line. SK shift colon percentages dollar. Dollar ಕೊಟ್ರೆ end of line ಅಲ್ಲಿ insert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Space ಕೊಟ್ಟು Manoj ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ attach ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. It's not mandatory give space. Please keep your point here. For your understanding, I give space. End of the line, it will get inserted. G is not mandatory. ಅಂತ ಪ್ರತಿ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ SK shift to colon dollar forward slash of what the content you want to insert in the end of each line. Done? You should do, sir. Done? Last bench done, sir. Everyone. Ready? Now, SK shift to colon undo ಮಾಡಿ. Now, I want to replace. I want to insert only. I want to insert so Manoj in the beginning of each line only between 5th to 10th line. So ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ಗೂ ಆಯ್ತು. Already use ಮಾಡಿ 5, 10s. Upper cap Manoj Kumar. Space. G is not mandatory. Only 5 to 10 line Manoj will insert it. Aita? Correct? Rain means comma. Getting, sir? No. Only people. What is the answer? Should speak up. Otherwise, not going to work. Done, sir? Clear? Any confusion? Any doubt? Done, sir? No. Now, 100 back, SK shift to colon U. 100 back, sir. Ready? No. Come back, sir. How to insert? No, not insert. How to replace only the Praveen which occur in the beginning of the line. Correct ಅಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ complete Praveen replace ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, particular line replace ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, range of line replace ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Now I want to replace only the Praveen which occurs in the beginning of the line. Beginning of the line ಬೇರೆ, first occurrence ಬೇರೆ. First occurrence means in the between this also can be first occurrence. This also first occurrence. This also first occurrence. Correct, right? Now I am telling of the beginning of the line. Which all the line contain? Which all the line starts with Praveen? I want to replace that Praveen only. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? That means this Praveen will replace, this 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 won't get replaced, this also won't get replaced, this will replace, this will replace, this will replace, only this will get replaced, these two won't get replaced. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? I want to replace only the Praveen which occur in the beginning of the line. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Escape shift colon percentages upper cap Praveen. Correct, sir? Upper cap Praveen with Suhas. Beginning can be only one. No meaning of mentioning G. Even if you mention G also it will work. There is no meaning of G. ನೋಡಿ, ಈ Praveen replace ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. Correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? Getting my point, sir? Escape shift colon percentages upper cap of Praveen Suhas. Done? Any confusion? Any doubt here? Clear, sir? Undo. Escape to colon U. Undo it, sir. Undo it back. Aita? No. I want to replace only the Praveen which occurs at the end of the line. Dollar. One second. This will happen because it contain whole line contain only Praveen. This is beginning also, end also. This won't happen. This won't happen. Only this will happen. Only that much only. Only this Praveen and this Praveen. Howda? Which occurs in the end of the line. If line contains only one Praveen only, this is the only Praveen. This beginning go end eradu. Ee line alle idu matra agutte. Bere yav Praveen agalla. Correct alva? Correct? How to do that one? colon percentages Praveen dollar. Beginning kottaga upper cap beginning barutte. Ending iddaga Praveen dollar agutte. Correct sir? Getting? Suhas. Good sir. Sorry, very Praveen replace agilla. Only this. Yes, sir. Yes, Suhas. A Praveen is sir illi. No. This is coming in end, right? It's coming in end. Which all the Praveen occurs at the end of the line will get replaced. Getting my point, sir? Understanding? Yes, no. Dildo? Ready? Now, sir. I want to replace only the Praveen which contains only Praveen. Full line only bari Praveen irಬೇಕು. Okay, otherwise I'll take another one. Please observe now. I want to replace, no, SK shift colon percentage is kotto, Praveen 0 to 9 kotta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So was this be done already? You don't need to do, just understand. This also will happen, this also will happen, this also will happen, this also will happen, this also will happen. ಹೌದಾ? Yes sir? Everything will happen. Correct, right? That's right. Now my point is, I want to replace only the Praveen with single digit number. Praveen 0 to 9 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? I want to replace only the Praveen which contain full line. Full line should contain only Praveen with single digit. Full line should contain Praveen with single. That line only should get replaced. What to do? Any idea? Full line should contain Praveen with single digit. Another bari idu matra agbeku. What's there running in your mind? You can tell. Praveen slash Suhas ada ella agitalla sir. Full line should contain Praveen with single digit. Then my condition is only this much, only this only get replaced. Praveen 0 to 9 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ Praveen 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, Praveen 1 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನಂಗೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ Praveen ಮತ್ತೆ 0 to 9. Praveen with single digit. Praveen 0 to 9 if I give, everything will happen, no sir? We done last time. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ Praveen 0 to 0 range. 0 to 0 range. 0 to 9 is one character. 0 1 characters. Only this one, this should get replaced for me. Praveen is single digit. I didn't understand what you told. 0 to 9 is only one character. I thought only 0. 0 to 9 one character. My condition is what? Any idea? Beginning to end. Simple sir. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಇಂದ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎಂಡಿಂಗು 0 to 9 ಇದು ಡಾಲರ್. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗು ಡಾಲರ್, ಇದೆರಡು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ವಿತ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್. ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸರ್? ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್, ಡಾಲರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಂಡ್, ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? In between this, Praveen with single digit. Full line should contain Praveen with single digit, I told. Only this should get replaced. How's that, sir? First. G is no useful. Then, sir? Understanding my point? Yes or no? Getting, sir? Manjunath? Yes, sir. What? Understood? Yes. Okay. Do it, sir. Ready? Beginning to end, sir. Upper cap beginning, dollar is end, sir. Between the this thing. Understood my point, sir? Clear? Done, madam. Now, undo it back, sir. Now I'm going to ask you one thing. Last example. I'll add the blank lines. You don't need to do. I added a blank line. All the blank lines I want to replace with J. Tell me now. Line number I don't know. All the blank lines I want to replace with J. Any answer is okay for me. Deepak. All the blank line I want to replace with J. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? HK shift to column percent blank line how you can represent? Space is separate, blank line is separate. This is space. ಹೌದಾ? Na blank line. Any answer? Beginning is what, sir? Upper cap. Dollar. Beginning the end ಏನು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. Beginning end, sir. Upper cap. Dollar. Between beginning to end nothing is there. That becomes the blank line. Yes? No? So enjoying your class. Huh? Like in 3 Idiots, Amir Khan is laughing after entering into the college. From day one I am observing you. Always have a blush on your face. Make others also happy. Anything you thinking? Nothing, sir? Okay. Observe you. Come back here. Now I want to replace with Manoj. What is his name? Vijay, no? Correct? All the blank line I want to replace it. See, easy understanding, sir. Beginning in the end of blank line define ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Beginning in the end ಏನು ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. Upper case beginning, dollar is end. Between that nothing is there. Can you do? Cap, dollar and Vijay. That's it. You're an installed putty, sir. Putty has been into the software, right? Who all installed? Kindly lift your hand. Here? Putty installed? Installed or not? Installed, right? People not installed, kindly make it ready by tomorrow in the class. I'll show you. Okay.